Welcome back to our channel, dear viewers. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of the human digestive system and its glandular processes. So, grab a snack and get ready to digest some knowledge. Our digestive system is a remarkable network of organs working together to break down food into essential nutrients for our body's nourishment. Let's start with the mouth, where the process begins. The mouth contains salivary glands that secrete saliva. As we chew our food, saliva helps moisten and soften it, making it easier to swallow. But the magic doesn't stop there. Saliva also contains enzymes, like amylase, which kickstart the digestion of carbohydrates right in our mouths. Once the food is well chewed and turned into a soft mass called bolus, it's ready to journey down the esophagus. As the bolus moves down the esophagus, it encounters mucus-secreting glands, which provide lubrication, aiding in smooth transportation to the stomach. Next stop, the stomach. This muscular organ churns and mixes the bolus with gastric juices, creating a semi-liquid substance called chyme. The stomach lining houses gastric glands that secrete hydrochloric acid, which helps break down proteins, and pepsin, an enzyme responsible for protein digestion. Now, the chyme is ready to move into the small intestine, where most of the nutrient absorption takes place. As chyme enters the duodenum, the first part of the small intestine, it triggers the release of bile and pancreatic juices. The liver, our body's chemical factory, produces bile, stored in the gallbladder, which helps emulsify fats for easier digestion. The pancreas secretes enzymes that break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, completing the digestion process. As digestion progresses, tiny hair-like structures called villi and microvilli lining the small intestine absorb the broken-down nutrients into the bloodstream. Whatever is left undigested and unabsorbed moves into the large intestine, where water and some minerals are reabsorbed, leading to the formation of feces. Finally, the indigestible and waste materials are excreted through the rectum and anus. And there you have it, the magnificent journey of our digestive system, aided by the incredible work of glands secreting essential enzymes and juices. We hope you enjoyed this quick tour of the human digestive system with a focus on glandular processes. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing educational content. As always, stay curious and keep exploring. Until next time.